guys, look at what came in today. I'm so excited. Okay, this is my PLouise subscription box. This is the February box that we're opening up. Normally, I get this box in and I'm like, well, shoot, I just uploaded the January video like a week ago. But because that box was so disappointing, to me at least, in my opinion, it was, honest to God, the worst box that I've had from PLouise in the entire 3 years of having her subscription box. So because it was that rough, I want to see if she can redeem herself. I want to know if the box can be redeemed. So we're going to open up the February box. I know we just looked at January, but I got to do this. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. We do lots of unboxings over here. I am obsessed with beauty and subscription boxes, so if you enjoy those things, definitely hit that subscribe button down below. Today, like I said, we are taking a look at the PLouise budget box subscription. So this is all curated by the PLouise brand, where every product inside of this box is coming from PLouise. Now, this box originally started out as something she offered for makeup artists. It was an MUA box where they could build their kit. So you would be able to receive lots of different products. There would be multiple shades, like you'd get a whole blush item, but different shades, so that those that were creating a business and being an artist would have lots to work with within their kit, but it was called the budget box. So it was budget friendly. This subscription, I do think, has transitioned and evolved beyond that now, especially in the last year. I honestly think by January 24, this box kind of transitioned away from being only for makeup artists. And it wasn't only, I mean, I bought the box and I'm not a makeup artist, but you know what I mean? Like, they transitioned away from having one product with multiple shades to now having lots of different products in this box. So it has evolved more into your traditional subscription box where you get to try out a lot of different products within it. So I do think it's a fun box. But like I said, January was not my box. I was not in love with it. I do pay for this subscription, so it hurt all the more so to see, like, I just spent that much money and I don't like it. Like, that was hard. But like I said, we're going to see if this box can be redeemed. And we are going to open it up today. I haven't even taken it out of the packaging just yet. So if you do order this subscription, I've got a link down below and you guys can check it out. I don't have a coupon code or anything because I've asked and I've never gotten a response back. So if that ever changes, I will update it and let you guys know. But at the moment, I don't have anything for you. So this is my PLouise box for February. So this is what it will look like here. Still very girly. It's a lot bigger than last month, I might add. I should mention that since this is the February box, you won't be able to get this exact box anymore. If you order in March, you will receive the March box. So whenever you're watching this is the month's box you will receive, but you're not going to be able to get this February box is the only catch. So hopefully, I mean, I want it to be good for me, but hopefully it's not too good that you guys really want it and you can't get it. Oh no. I think it's only one product to get. You guys, that's what happened last month and this is why I'm nervous. Like, now I have PTSD. Holy bananas. Okay, this is making me have flashbacks. I'm a little nervous. So in our February box, this is our mailbox. Yeah, this is the only item. Oh, it's kind of loose, but it is a mailbox. I do get the idea here. So cute. So it says, if lost, return to sender, you've got mail. So it's a cute little mailbox. This is a magnetic flap. It just doesn't honestly stay is the only thing. So I don't know if the magnet's not strong enough or what the deal is, but I like the idea that we have, you know, a PLouise mail. Thankfully, there are several products in here and they don't look like they're minis. And that was the issue last month, is they were so small. First item that we have in here today is called Just the Two of Us. This is a double-ended lip duo. So there are going to be two lippies inside of this box. And again, this brand is all cruelty-free, just in case if you've not seen it before. Everything is cruelty-free with PLouise. So this is what they look like straight out of the box. We have two different shades here. Got a little bit more of a rosy pink, and then this one's going to come in a little bit more peach. So let's start with this pink one and take a look at it. The shade on this is called Crazy in Love. This is a lip gloss. And then on the other end, we have the same shade, but it's a lipstick. So it's going to be that cream formula. So this is what the lipstick will look like here. It's a beautiful shade, very complimentary. I think this will work for everybody's skin tone, which is nice. And then this will be the lip gloss version over here that you can paint on. So I'll do a quick swatch. It does feel a little sticky to me. Some of her lippies do, and then other ones don't. I don't know what it is that she does, but I still think it's a gorgeous color. Amazing shine. Yeah, I do like it. And it does give it a nice coat. It doesn't look streaky either, so I think it paints really well. I like it. Oh, wait. There's a scent, you guys. It's like strawberry scented. Oh my gosh. I just got this huge whiff of strawberries, and I don't have strawberries like in a candle form or anything going on right now. Yeah, it is this. This smells really good, and I was not expecting that. I wonder if this one's gonna smell different. So this is the next one that we have in here, and this is the more peach toned version. Oh, will it smell like peaches? Maybe. It's called Sweet Emotion. So again, we've got the lip gloss on the one end, and then this will be the lipstick here. So this one, we'll do a quick swatch of the color, and then I want to do a sniff test. I'm so curious now. So this is what it will look like. It still feels like the same formula, just different shade. So that goes down really well. Gosh, that shine is gorgeous. Can't believe I'm over here smelling lip glosses, you guys. This smells like strawberries again, though. They both have a strawberry scent. It's a good strawberry scent. It's very nice. So our next item is the Pretty and Polished. This is a massaging facial wash. It actually has like a massager on the end of it. So this is what the product will look like here. So your cleanser is in the tube itself, and you don't have to do anything with that. It's ready to go. And then all you're gonna do is twist this to on or off. It doesn't mean that it's power activated. In my experience, it just means whether or not you're allowing the product to come out of the tube. And then it will come out with this massager applicator. So then you can actually use this on your face and cleanse and rub it on at the same time. And it is full size. That's another thing I like. Okay, so the next item inside of my mailbox, this is the Line Them Up. They're mini lip liners. So this kind of reminds me of like a whole gift set. You know what I mean? Go on our website. Maybe you guys can. If you really like these products, you might be able to buy them on our website. Because this one being minis, I would assume you could buy like the entire collection like this. So there's a lot of lip liners in here. They are all going to look like this in terms of packaging. They all have a keychain, and then they're gonna have a different shade at the end here. And they do have their names on the packaging as well. So I'm gonna pull these out, and keep in mind they are all lip liners. So very complimentary shades. I do think they're gonna work well together, even with the ones that we got earlier, but they will vary. You've got some lighter ones. These are so cute. I love this like bubbly pink. It looks like bubble gum. And then you've got some deeper, darker red notes as well. I mean, you gotta admit, she does give you variety, so you will find your shade in here. The keychain thing, I do feel like is kind of new because like I said, I've had this subscription for 3 years, and she always did the keychains on like the lip products of like the lip glosses, and you could find them like in those juice box kits as well. But the keychains on the lip liners is new because we used to get lip liner kits before and they never had keychains on them. So I do think she might be doing more of them now this year. Maybe they were super popular and that's the idea. I think it's, you know, again, it's different. It does set your brand apart. It's not a huge selling point for myself. I mean, I can kind of see why she does it. Now, the next item that I have in here is a stackable multi-use pen. It's called Secret Stacks. And all I can think of with these pens is, do you remember those pencils back in school where it had the little pencils and you added them and they were in those little white plastic parts? And if you lost one, then the whole pencil didn't work and you would go through it and then you'd move it to the top and it would shove the next one down. It was important you didn't lose a single piece of that. What I'm thinking of with stackable pen is that. I don't know what those things were even called, but they were kind of annoying when you lost pieces. So the shade on here is called Love Struck. Oh, it is stacked. So this is what it looks like. And then each one of these are its own individual compartment. Now I'm gonna have a question because, yeah, what happens if you lose this bottom piece? Like, can you still seal it? I gotta find out. We'll see here with it. But let me take this off. Here's your first one. So got a little peach tone to it. It looks just like a cream shade. I don't think it twists up or anything. I think that just is what the size is on that. And then the second one will look like this. A little bit more of a pinkish tone. That's very watermelon-like, very bright, happy color. We also have another one below that's a little bit deeper. This shade is a little bit deeper than that. So this is definitely the deepest shade. I do like that the progression was light to dark on here, but you could move these around depending on what you want to use. So the way it works is essentially if you put any of these other ones, let's say you put it on the bottom instead of this one, you definitely could do it and nothing's going to leak or get in the way. The only potential issue is if you untwist these and take it off and you scrape any product like I did inside of this, being that it would be on the end or the outside, you could potentially get like lipstick elsewhere on your bag or your hands or wherever that may be. That would be the only thing I would say be careful with is when you take them apart, try not to, lose all your product within the cap. So it is different. I mean, again, I'll give her innovative. Last item inside of our mailbox then today, this one, oh, it's a cell phone. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love it. It's awesome. This looks like the Nokia phones. So this is the Call the Shots palette that she has created, and it looks like a little phone. Oh my goodness. So there are 12 pans of pigment inside of this. So let me go ahead and pull it out. I love it though. This packaging is so cute. Gosh, even the case looks like a phone. Look at this, you guys. So just an acrylic case, but it's adorable. So there's your packaging, and then inside will be your palette, and this is what it will look like here. So they are going to be smaller pans, but obviously it's not a super large palette to begin with, but there are 12 shadows in here. So we've definitely got some shimmers up at the top, beautiful colors. And then I like that they're all kind of in the same family. You know what I mean? You could create an entire look just with a row down and then have this super fun flirty look. So that is everything inside of my PLouise box for February. I am so glad I opened this now because it would have literally drove me crazy, you guys. I needed to know what was in this box. I honestly like this better than I thought I was going to. When I saw the one box, I was like, oh no. But I don't think it's that bad, actually. I mean, truthfully, even though it was only one container, I think we're okay. So inside of this, I do like, you get a little bit of skincare in here. You get a lot of makeup this month with it. They're super fun, cute packaging. Love that you get a palette in here. These lippies, I love the surprise of strawberries. I mean, it smells really good. And I like that all of the shades are really wearable as well. So that is everything for today's unboxing video. Comment down below, you guys. Let me know, what did you think of this box? It's a huge improvement over last month. I think we can all agree with that. But like I said, if you're interested in the subscription, I will have a link down below to her website, and then you can look at the different options. She has multiple plans available, so it is a little bit cheaper. If you sign up for a longer subscription plan, you'll save some money each month with your box. But you additionally will receive free shipping if you subscribe to a longer plan. So I would recommend that if you want to buy this subscription, look at doing a longer plan than just 1 month at a time. If you pay every month as you go, she will add on a shipping fee every single month, and that gets really expensive really quickly. So I still would highly recommend that if you want this, I would go with a longer term than just month to month. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day. I can't wait to chat with you guys down below, but I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye.